Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about how to use TS plot tool inside this Alteryx. So first let's remove this earlier workflow and here drag this input data inside the workflow. Now here after click on this drop down. From here you can connect with file or database. So I'm going to connect with data source database, so Microsoft SQL Server, click connect, and already have connection test con, and here you can give localhost SA password. Click on this test connection successful, select the database. So Adam database is there, so going to connect with employee or table, and click on this OK button. Now here you can get this Adam. You can select any or table from there, so double click on this employee, click on this check star, so it will select all columns. Click on OK. Now here after let's go on this time series. Here you can see TS plot. So if you click on this TS plot, here you can get the small definition. Create a number of different universe series plot to add understanding the time series data, determining how the developer forecasting model. So this is the definition. Drag the link. So it has RI report and interactive report. Automatically it selected employee ID, so it select only numerical field. Now here after we need to browse for report, browse for interactive report. Mapping workflow part that has completed. Click on this run. So 107 rows, 28% completed on the TS plot. Now some data it's going on this browse and here. So it's completed on 72nd. Now here, so if I click on this, so here you can see this is the time series report. So start from this location, employee ID selected, and 120 until go to 200, and this is the time variant 2468. Click on this interactive report. So here you can see time series started from this location, highest values, and now here 1 2 3 4 6 7 8. So this is January data, February, October, this is the season, and data here, this is the season, and trend reminder and ACF, and like this you can here select this different fields. So let's select department ID. Click on this run. So department ID selected because here you can see department ID has duplicate values. Okay, so duplicate values inside the department, but unique values on site employee ID. Now let's check. So since department ID has the duplicate value, so that it's creating some kind of error, and this is the execution hold, one record finished, indicate error. So this is the year value CC1. So duplicate, so here when you provide the value, so it should be unique, so not be duplicate. Okay, and if I select employee ID, so there should be no any problem with this on this or TS plot, and it will give some correct values. So now you can see this is employee ID, it's all are unique, and here this is the department ID, it's repeated. Now it's completed without any issue. And next thing is, so I used data source. Now you can select the files, select files. So let's select the customer files. So it will automatically selected at this place numerical field like record ID. So month that I selected, let's select annually, and here you can select this all time series plot, season plot, this all, click on this, run. So numbers of rows are higher, so it will take some time to complete TS plot. Size and rows are higher. So you can use file or database completed on 15 second. This is the report, and here time series plot, higher record. So it's here you can see this values, and here 1000, 2000 interactive report, and here you can see time series plot. So minimum value, maximum value, and season plot, and this all those things. So this is the way we can see at here time series with the help of this TS plot. So time series plot, it's displaying. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.